I'm about to go check out that fire that's going on in the mountains right now.
Try getting a picture of it. Like when you get far away, all you get is a dot. When you take a picture of it far away, like if your screen like that, the like all far. Wait, that's a police car?
Yeah.
But why is like all the lights are on?